This is the first year of my Advent Calendar series, so I went into CVS and I bought all the beauty Advent calendars that they had available, and we are going to unbox all 4 of them, starting off with the W7 Get Festive 12 Beauty Treats. It's got these cute little boxes, which I actually really prefer. You'd be surprised how difficult opening some of these Advent calendars are. We start off with this green apple Sweet Lips Sugar Scrub. We've got this really nice black eyeliner pencil. Can't ever have enough of those. We've got this really pretty bronzer. This lipstick, they call it Playful Pout. Very pretty. We've got this Lotus Lake blusher in that beautiful packaging, and it's got a little bit of shimmer in it, which I love. We've got this lip liner pencil. This makeup sponge. We've got these Golden Glow bronzer drops. Very pretty. Cheeky Dip liquid blusher. I'm looking forward to trying that out. We've got this really pretty lip gloss. It's hard to tell, but there's a nice amount of shimmer in that. We've got this mascara in black. And we've got this primer. So for $12.99, I definitely think this was worth it, but let's see what else we got. Next up in our CVS Advent Calendar series is the W7 12 Days of Gorgeous. I paid $12.99 for it. And again, I love that it has the boxes. This one, the boxes were just sitting there. The other one, I had to pull the boxes off. It was a teeny bit harder. This is beautiful. So we're starting off with a blueberry Sweet Lips Sugar Scrub. Next up, we've got this primer. So we did have some duplicates between the 2 boxes, but I just wanted to give everything a fair unboxing and rating, and let's see. So again, we've got one of their lipsticks, the Playful Pout. And this color, we have a different color at least. Very nice. Box number 4. I love these boxes. These are perfect. So we've got a lip liner. Very nice color. Box number 5. We've got this mascara in black. Box number 6. Can't we make all Advent calendars this way? So much easier. Another lipstick, their Playful Pout lipstick. And I think that may actually be the same color we got in the other one. I'm not sure. It looks very similar. Box number 7. We've got a black eyeliner pencil. I did say you can never have too many of them. Box number 8. The clear lip gloss. Box number 9. Another lip gloss. They're thick drip. And again, you see it's got that nice glitter in there. This is a different color, so that's nice. Then we got in the last one, of course, box number 10. The Ladybird Lane blusher, also adorable packaging. That one I like a lot. It's got some shimmer in it again. Box number 11. So we are getting at least a little variation on the colors. We've got another bronzer. That looks like it might be the same. And box number 12. So again, I paid $12.99 for this one. We have a cute little hair clip. That I like. That was a little bit different. So this one, I think, again, is well worth it. But let's keep going and see what else we like. Let's unbox the LA Colors Holiday Surprises. I paid $12.99 for this one as well. We start off with this nail polish that I love, that it's got that little container of gold glitter at the top. How fun is that? We have the shadow and liner in this gorgeous pearl color. We've got the Rad Rouge blush. Has some shimmer to it. I love that it's got that cute little blush brush in there. We have this lip liner. Very pretty color. We've got this lipstick, also a pretty color. We've got this metallic lip gloss, so you see there's some shimmer in there. We've got another one of these shadow and liner pencils in that gorgeous gold. I love that. We've got this Pout lip gloss. I don't know, it seems a little goopy. Let me know if you've tried it. I really don't even want to try it. We have this nice eyeshadow palette. We have another one of these shadow and liners. It's black, but it does seem to have a little bit of shimmer in it. And I forgot to take a picture of everything together, but this so far now is my favorite. This was a great deal. Let's do our last unboxing, which is CVS's 12 Days of Beauty. I paid $24.99 for this one, and I think we're starting off pretty strong with the EOS lotion. And then we have the Monday Moisture Shampoo, as well as the Monday Moisture Conditioner. I'm looking forward to trying those. We've got the Garnier Cleansing Water. We have these teeth whitening strips, the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in black. I'm liking the variation of products in this. We've got the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm, and I am looking forward to trying that. We have this cute little pink nail polish. We've got this Bubble Moisturizer that I've been hearing some really good stuff about. We've got the Makeup Eraser. And we have the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. And we have these adorable gold speckles. I can't wait to try those. They are so cute. So let me know what you think. I definitely think the LA Colors out of the $12.99 ones was the best value. And this 12 Days of Beauty, I enjoyed this one too. $24.99, yeah, it was more money, but I liked that it had the shampoo, it had the lotions, the variation of products was really nice. But those are my two favorites. I honestly like the LA Colors and the CVS 12 Days of Beauty fairly equally. I definitely recommend really any of the advent calendars. They were all really fun. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'm super curious.